Hello. Let's talk about Accounting 221, Intermediate Accounting 1. This is basically the overview slide, or overview video, I should say, where we look at some of the requirements of the course. First of all, here's how you can get a hold of me. I am William D. Connor. I go by Bill. Room 222G is where my office is located, and that is in Building C on the Portsmouth campus of TCC. You can reach me at 757-822-2315 office, or on my cell phone at 757-287-7829, and I answer to either text or call, so you can reach me either way. Here's how the activities in the class are weighted. So we have several activities during this semester. The midterm exam is weighted 2,750 points. The final exam, also 2,750 points. Connect homework, 1,400 in total. These turn out to be 14 Learn Smarts. Actually, I take that back. There's 11 Learn Smarts, and they wind up being weighted slightly more than 100 points apiece. 900 points in blogs. Course project worth 2,000 points. And introductory activities, which together are worth 200 points. So when you add all this up, it comes to 10,000 points in total. Now, I want to point out that this is not a percent system in the class. It's a point system. I think it's easier to figure out how you're doing. You just keep looking at all the points that are adding up for you and how close they're getting to the grade you want. And in the next slide, we'll talk about how a certain number of points corresponds to a certain grade. So notice, if you get 9,000 points, then you get an A in the class, or better. If you get 8,000 to 899 points, then you get a B in the class. If you get 7,000 to 7,999 points, you get a C. If you get 6,000 to 6,999 points, you get a D. And anything less than 6,000 points, you fail the class. And yes, the weights are based on 10-point grading scale, 90% A, 80% B, 70% C, and so on. The coverage for the class, what we're going to be doing this semester, is focusing on chapters 1 through 11. And this basically includes the topics of the accounting environment, laws and regulations in the profession, detailed discussion of the balance sheet, discussion of the income statement, and then chapter by chapter looking at various topics within the balance sheet. Finally, I want to point out that extra credit is available in this class. It is also on Connect, and if you look at the syllabus, you'll see how that's set, but you ought to be able to get about 1,100 more points in the class by doing different extra credit things that are offered during the semester. Take care. Let me know if you have questions.